children, in this video I am going to explain exercise 12.2 that questions are based on distance formula. Now, how to find distance between 2 points in 3-dimensional plane. The distance formula is used to determine the distance between 2 points. Let us now derive the distance formula. Consider a system of coordinate system x, o, x, y, z with origin O. Let P be a point whose coordinate is x1, y1, z1 and Q be a point whose coordinate is x2, y2, z2. Through the point PQ, draw plane parallel to the coordinate planes to form a rectangular parallelepiped with one diagonal PQ. Then we have PS. PS is x2 minus x1. SR, it is equals to y2 minus y1. And QR is equals to z2 minus z1. Now, in triangle PSR, it is a right angle triangle. Therefore, applying Pythagoras theorem, we have PR square is equals to PS square plus SR square. In triangle PQR, it is also a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras, PQ is equals to under root PR square plus QR square. Here, we have to put the value of PR square from here. It is PS square plus SR square. Here it is PS square plus SR square plus QR square. And PS square is x2 minus x1 का whole square. SR square is y2 minus y1 का whole square. And QR square is z2 minus z1 का whole square. Therefore, the distance between 2 points P and Q whose coordinates are given x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2 respectively, then that distance PQ is equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square. Based on this formula, some questions are in exercise 12.2 that I am going to explain. Now, the first question is find the distance between point P 235 and Q 431. Distance between these 2 points PQ is x2 minus x1 whole square, that is 4 minus 2 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square, that is 3 minus 3 का whole square plus z2 minus z1 का whole square, that is 1 minus 5 whole square. It is equals to under root 4 plus 0 plus 16, that is under root 20 units. It is equals to 2 root 5 units. This way we can find out distance between P and Q. Now, question number 2 is find the length of the perpendicular drawn from the point P whose coordinate is 3, 4, 5 on y-axis. The distance between this point on y-axis. Now, given point is 3, 4, 5. Let Q be the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point P on y-axis. Definitely the point QR 0, 4, 0 because on y-axis x is 0 and z is 0. Therefore, the point B 0, 4, 0. Hence, the length of perpendicular is given by PQ. Distance between P and Q, it is equals to under root x2 minus x1 का whole square, that is 0 minus 3 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, that is 4 minus 4 का whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square, that is 0 minus 5 whole square. It gives under root 9 plus 0 plus 25, it is under root 34 unit. Therefore, foot of length of perpendicular from P on y-axis is under root 34 unit. Now move on to next question. That question is, what is the perpendicular distance of the point P whose coordinates are 6, 7, 8 from xy plane? Earlier in that question, we have to find out distance on y-axis, and here we have to find out distance from xy plane. Now, given point is P 6, 7, 8. Let Q be the foot of perpendicular drawn from the point P 6, 7, 8 on xy plane. On xy plane, the coordinates are x, y, 0. Therefore, that Q point be 6, 7, 0 because Z will be here 0. Therefore, applying distance formula, PQ is equals to under root 6 minus 6 का whole square plus 7 minus 7 का whole square plus 0 minus 8 का whole square, that is equals to under root 64. That means its length is 8 unit. In first question we have to find out distance between PQ. In second question we have to find out distance between P on y-axis and distance of between P from xy plane. Now move on to next question. Question number 4. Using distance formula, show that the points A, B, C are collinear. That we did in 10th standard for 2D. That collinear points are, if ABC are collinear, then what we have to do? AB plus BC is equals to AC. That need to be proved. Here 3 points are given. The point A and B are this one. Therefore, AB is equals to x2 minus x1 का whole square, that means 1 plus 2 का whole square plus 2 minus 3 का whole square plus 3 minus 5 का whole square. It gives under root 14. Similarly, BC, that means 7 minus under root 7 minus 1 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 minus 3 whole square. It gives under root 56. It is 4 into 14, that is 2 root 14. And AC is A and C, 7 plus 2 का whole square under root 7 plus 2 का whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square plus minus 1 minus 5 whole square. It gives under root 126. It is 3 root 40. Now, since AB plus BC is equals to AC, AB plus BC is equals to AC, therefore, ABC are collinear by using distance formula. Now, the next question is, find the equation of set of point P such that its distances from the point A 3, 4, minus 5 and B minus 2, 1, 4 are equal. In this question, the distance of P from A, that is AP, and distance of P from B will be BP. Both AP and BP are equal. Now, given points are A and B, that coordinates are given. Let P be a point whose coordinate are x, y, z. Such that its distance from the point A and B are equal. Therefore, AP is equals to BP. Squaring on both sides, because AP is under root and BP is also under root. Therefore, to remove the square root, we have to do squaring on both sides. We'll give AP square is equals to BP square. AP square is x minus 3 का whole square, y minus 4 का whole square and z plus 5 whole square. It is equals to x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus z minus 4 whole square. After using identity a minus b का whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab, and a plus b का whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Then after doing calculation, the equation is here 10x plus 6y minus 18z minus 29 is equals to 0. This is the final equation according to the given condition in the question. Very important question for the exam. Now move on to the last question based on distance formula, and it is very important question for the exam. The question is, find the equation of the set of point P whose sum of distance from A and B is equal to 10. Point A is 400 and point B is minus 400. In earlier question, both the distance are equal, but here the sum of distance is equals to 10. Now given point A and B are given, that is 400 A and B is minus 400. According to question, let a point P, that is XYZ, then AP plus BP is equals to 10 because sum of distance is equals to 10. Now we can write it as AP is equals to 10 minus BP. Why we have do this form? Because here AP and BP are in square root. Therefore, to remove square root, we have to first shift BP in RHS. AP is equals to 10 minus BP. Now squaring on both sides. That is AP square is equals to A minus B whole square. It is A square plus B square minus 2AB. That is 20 into BP. AP square is x minus 4 whole square plus y minus 0 ka whole square is y square and z minus 0 whole square is z square. That is written here. 100 plus BP square. B is minus 4. Therefore, x plus 4 ka whole square and y square and z square. It is written here x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square minus 20 BP. Y square and z square get cancelled. Minus 20 BP be shifted here and x minus 4 whole square be shifted here. Therefore 20 BP is equals to 100 plus, it is A square minus B square, that means A plus B into A minus B. It is 2x into 8, that gives you 16x, that means 20 BP is equals to 100 plus 16x. We can take 4 as a common, therefore whole equation is divided by 4, it gives 5 BP is equals to 25 plus 4x. Now again squaring on both sides because BP is here, that is under square root. Therefore squaring on both sides, it gives 25 BP square is equals to A square plus B square plus 2AB. BP square is x plus 4 whole square plus y square plus z square. After doing calculation, the equation is 9x square plus 25y square plus 25z square minus 225 is equals to 0. Very important question for the exam based on distance formula.